Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to activate a wildcard in Fantasy Premier League. So open the Fantasy Premier League application on your device. Make sure that the application is up to date and you're also logged into the specific account. Now select the Fantasy tab from the bottom of the screen, which is between latest and season. Then select transfers from the top, which is below the pick team option. Go ahead and select it. Here you'll see the options including wildcard, free hit, and all. Tap on wildcard if it's available, and activating a wildcard allows you to make unlimited transfers to your team without incurring point deductions for individual player changes. However, be aware of your remaining budget and any potential cost associated with the wildcard itself, as it might affect your overall points. And once activated, select the players you wish to replace. Remember that you can only use wildcard in the first half of the season and another in the second half, but you cannot use both in the same time. So that's how you activate your FPL wildcard. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again